Hi, this is Sri Priya Madan from Srishti Technology Labs. In this session, let's learn about short circuit OR and short circuit AND. Let me create a class for this. Select public static void main, click finish. Let us learn this short circuit AND and OR with the help of an example. Let me create two variables, A equal to 10, comma B equal to 20. I want to compare these two. If A greater than B, condition A is greater, else B is greater. Let me start with short circuit AND. Short circuit AND always checks in for false conditions. I am using ampersand. Let me create an array. If you see in this condition, A greater than B is correct. I am using ampersand M of 4. Syntactically this is correct. But during the runtime, it throws an exception saying array index out of bounds exception. Because the length of the array itself is 4 only. When you try to run this application, if the value of A is greater than B, that is, if the first condition is true, in that case, it will go and check in for the second condition, whether it is true or false. If the first condition is false, without checking in for the second condition, even if there is an exception, it will directly enter into the else loop. Let us check this out. As per the input I have given, the first condition is false. So save, run. The exception is completely ignored. Let me change the value of A to 100. Now the first condition is true, so automatically it will go and check in for the second condition. Let me run the application. You can see without printing anything, it is going and entering into the second condition and it is throwing array index out of bounds exception. It is showing the stack trace at which point it is occurring. Next is short circuit OR. Short circuit AND checks for false conditions. Short circuit OR checks for true conditions. That is, if the first condition is true, it will never go and check in for the second condition. Directly it will enter inside the if and it will print A is greater. If you see A is 100, B is 20, so the first condition is true, it will enter inside the if and print A is greater. So let me change the symbol from double ampersand to OR. Save the file, run the application. It prints A is greater. I'll change the value of A. So now A is 10, B is 20. So the first condition is false. So automatically it will go and check in for the second condition. It will throw an exception. That's all. Thank you.